Hello everyone. Thank you for choosing Mobile Kangaroo. Today we're going to show you how to locate the serial number of your iPhone or iPad. If your iPhone is able to turn on, all you need to do is tap on Settings, scroll down to where it says General and tap that, then tap on About at the top of the screen. The serial number is the fifth entry from the top. If your phone is at this hello screen, such as if you've erased the phone recently, all you'll need to do to get the serial number is press on the little I in the bottom right corner of the screen. If your device's display or touchscreen is non-functional, we can use the IMEI as a substitute. On all iPads and many iPhones, this could be located on the back of the device. Starting with the iPhone 6s, the IMEI is no longer located on the rear of the phone. Instead, it's located on the SIM card tray. To access this, insert a removal tool into the hole on the side of the device, give it a firm press, and gently remove the tray. The IMEI could be found near the outside edge in very fine print. You may need a magnifying glass. If you don't have a removal tool, you can always use a paper clip or anything similar as a substitute. Thank you so much for watching our video on how to find your iPhone or iPad serial number. We hope you hop into one of our locations soon for a repair.